I'm Sarah and I blog at Sincerely Sarah D, and I recently finished my bathroom remodel, and I'm going to share all the details of that space in partnership with the Home Depot. I tiled the floors with a white mosaic tile from Jeffrey Court, found at the Home Depot, and I absolutely love it, especially with the medium gray grout. I tiled the accent wall, also with Jeffrey Court, white subway tile. It's actually called the Allegro White, and it's also found at Home Depot. So the centerpiece of my bathroom remodel is definitely this gorgeous vanity, and it's found at the Home Depot. It's the Martha Stewart Living Lynn Vanity in midnight blue, and has a marble top, and it's just absolutely gorgeous and has some pretty amazing features. So inside the vanity, there really is a lot of storage. And up top, I have all of our towels. And in the bottom, it's this pull-out tray. And I just use it to kind of hold all the essentials our guests may need. Just things I've picked up from hotels. So shampoos, soaps, just anything they might need. Now on the other side of the vanity is this really unique pull-out tray, which includes electrical outlets, 4 of them. And so there's spots for your blow dryer, and back here you can put your curling iron. And then in the bottom is another tray for supplies. It's just super helpful and handy, and everything's able to pull out. So the vanity looks like it has 4 drawers, but actually the top one is just a fake drawer front to hide the sink. Now, I love all the cubby spaces. My daughter is 7 and she's already filling them up, but we still have lots of room to grow because I know as she gets older, she'll accumulate more stuff. But she has her little makeup supplies and nail polishes and miscellaneous items in here. And then the bottom is just a nice big drawer. I love this bathroom faucet. It's obviously from Home Depot. It's the Delta Cassidy 8-inch widespread 2-handle bathroom faucet. And I actually used the kitchen version of this faucet in our kitchen remodel last fall. And we just loved it so much that we went ahead and put it in our bathroom. And it's in champagne bronze, which I think is just about the most perfect gold. Since there's a lot going on with our tile pattern and various wallpapers, just pattern. There's a lot of pattern going on. I wanted a really simple mirror, and I found that with this Vanity Sonoma 20-inch by 39-inch wall frame mirror in nickel, and I just feel like it fits the space perfectly. On either side of this mirror are these gorgeous laboratory lights from Minka. They're the Harbor Point Liberty Gold bath light, and I feel like they just are perfect for the space. I love them against the tile, and I'm gonna show you how they look on. They look pretty on and off. I'm gonna close with a few before and afters of this bathroom remodel. And I just want to say a special thanks to Home Depot for your partnership on this space. And then also, if you want to learn more, go to Sincerely Sarah D, and I share the entire 6-week renovation process on there, including lots of tutorials and how I did everything.